Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about how I use V0 projects as a designer. So, V0 has this relatively new feature called projects, and inside the projects, you can have specific custom instructions, specific files, specific environment variables, and you can even link it to your Vercel project. And yeah, so the projects, the main use case is the specific instructions. So these instructions have, I just give things like the brand color, use max with 7x instead of container code things, and use mina ui as the name of this project. So things like that. So things that you don't want to repeat every time in this prompt, you can give it in this projects. So I have a work account, and this is my personal account. So on my work account, I usually give my project name, and I start generating designs with that project. I gave it specific instructions like the brand color, brand name, and everything, and I work from there. And here, this personal project, I use it for Mina UI, and for Mina UI, I've linked even the Vercel project, everything. So everything I start over here gets to the actual product. So this is a forgot password page, so let's just go to that page. And yeah, as you can see here, I've created the versions and everything from the actual Mina UI, inside the Mina UI project. And here, let's see why the logo is not working. For some reason the logo is not working. Okay, but usually the logo itself comes because I've added the logo as a, maybe I added this actual logo file after that didn't work. So yeah, you can add logo, everything, you can just add it in your project and it will work. And yeah, that's mostly it. Let me know if you have any more questions. Let me know if you want me to go in depth on how to prompt for this, how to give specific prompting to V0, how to get the perfect design for everything. So if you see here, I've uploaded this image. This has like checkbox. I did this in Figma and I've uploaded this, but it comes something like this. But this is what I wanted actually, because this is the Shadcn default theming, and I can use this default theme in my project, which will have all the primary colors and everything. So I didn't want all the primary colors, especially like this indigo color that we have away. I didn't want that, so I gave that in my Mina UI specific instructions, and it just generated what the Shadcn default theme is, and then I can just put this in my project and it will work the same. So yeah, things like that. So let me know if you want like prompting guides and how I prompt this in my personal account and in my work account. And yeah, that's it for today. Let me know if this was helpful and if you want to see more. Bye bye.